Hey everyone, Miss Allison here. I want to make sure that you know how to use the sharing settings correctly on your Google Doc because you will be sharing this back on your assignment for your teacher to check with your annotation. So let's take a look and make sure you have what you need here. So if you can see here on my screen, I'm going to hit this blue share button in the corner. When I do this, you will see something a little bit different since you have a copy of it. You probably won't see my face or Mr. Wolf's face, okay? But what we're going to do is you need to get down here where it says Get Link, and we need to make a change. So it should right now be restricted that the only people with this link, that should be fine, but we need to click that blue button there, and you need to make sure that it says Poudre School District. You should be on your PSD email or signed into Google with your PSD email right now. If you are not, then you need to click on anyone with the link. We need that so we can see it if you are on a different computer or a different device outside of your school one or logged in with a different email. Once you have done that, you can click Copy Link right here. And then you're going to take that link and make sure that you have it pasted in this box right here. So you can do that by right-clicking, or I like to just do Control-V. Either way, that link should pop up, and we should be able to access it. If you have any questions, please let us know.